Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install and use Cline AI in Visual Studio Code or another IDE. So to do it, you can just open up their official website, cline.bot, and there's the install Cline button. Just click on it, and here you can select the necessary ID, VS Code, cursor, and so on. In our case, VS Code, and click on install. Or you can just immediately go to your IDE, then click on extensions on the left side and type here Cline. So on the first place you will see the official Cline extension. Just click on it. Here you can see the amount of downloads and reviews, and after that just click on the install button right here. Do you trust the publisher Cline? So trust publisher and install. Okay, finally the Cline extension is installed. On the left side you will see the special Cline icon. You can click on it and click on Get Started for free. Now you need to continue with your Google account or with your GitHub. I will select the first way and click on Authorize. And after that you will be taken to your IDE back. And now just type your task for AI right here. Well, it's very cool, right? In VS Code you can chat with AI, and to be honest, it's really useful for programmers. Hope my video was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.